Hello and welcome to today's video for Mission IBPS Clerk 2017. So today we will be covering the order of attempt, the ideal order of attempt that you should have in your IBPS Clerk Prelims exam. Before we begin, let me tell you that please quickly grab something, pause this video and quickly grab something to note down whatever I am going to say. You will need this after you are finished watching the video. Pause this video, I will not go anywhere, pause it right now, I will be here when you come back. So if you are done grabbing whatever you wanted to note down, I will start. So you should begin your attempt with the English section, and you should be able to finish this section within 10 to 15 minutes. Don't worry, I will tell you how. So begin with, in the English section, begin with the error spotting, close test or phrase replacement or fill in the blanks, whichever comes in the paper according to your comfort. Okay, so I will repeat: error spotting, close test or phrase replacement or fill in the blanks, whichever of these are there in the paper, attempt them according to your comfort level. Then move on to parajumbles if there are any parajumbles in the paper, and then in the end with the remaining time go to RC, so which is the reading comprehension. So before you actually begin attempting the reading comprehension question, do not read the passage first, read the questions first. So इससे दो फायदे होंगे. एक तो if there are any questions based on synonyms and antonyms, then you will be able to directly solve them then and there. Okay, so वो questions तो आपके हो गए reading comprehension में से. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि usually reading comprehension में synonyms antonyms पे based questions भी आते हैं, तो for which you don't need to go to the reading comprehension passage. तो ये questions आपके पहले solve हो जाएंगे before you have even read the entire passage. Now स्टार्ट रीडिंग द पैसेज. तो अब आप एक बार पैसेज पढ़ लेंगे तो आपने पहले कुछ क्वेश्चंस पढ़े हुए हैं जो उसमें से आपको पता लग जाएगा व्हाट एग्जैक्टली टू लुक फॉर, बिकॉज यू नो द क्वेश्चंस, नाउ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर आंसर्स, राइट. सो यू हैव अ रफ आइडिया नाउ कि पैसेज में कहाँ कहाँ पे आपको कौन कौन सा आंसर मिल रहा है या मिल सकता है. इसके बाद वंस यू हैव रेड द पैसेज, अगर कोई थीम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन था, थीम बेस्ड मतलब इफ देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन आस्किंग यू अबाउट द थीम ऑफ द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज या ऑथर्स आइडिया अबाउट द पैसेज, तो आप उस क्वेश्चन को आंसर कर सकते हैं. तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस तो आपके ये हो गए. देन वंस यू हैव रेड द पैसेज एंड पहले क्वेश्चंस भी पढ़ लिए थे, तो अब आप कम से कम 2-3 क्वेश्चन तो सॉल्व कर ही पाएंगे अच्छे से. सो दिस इज हाउ यू फेच योरसेल्फ इनफ मार्क्स टू क्लियर द कट ऑफ इन इंग्लिश सेक्शन. Now you are done with the easiest question of the easiest section of the paper. Then move on to the quant section, and quant section you have to finish within 25 minutes. इसके लिए सबसे अच्छा तरीका है start with simplification and approximation. इस पे almost 10 questions हो सकते हैं पेपर में. These are not going to be very difficult. These are going to be easy, moderate types. Then move on to number series. So number series में there is a chance that there will be 5 questions in number series, and 3 of these at least will be easy to moderate. Okay, so at least 3 आप attempt कर सकते हैं. So these are the rest of the 2 are also going to be moderate, but or maybe easy, but they are not going to be very difficult either. So depends upon you. If you have ample practice, you can attempt all 5, but at least attempt 3 questions from number series. Then move on to DI. Yeah. So DI में से which is data interpretation, there can be 2 different sets, which is if ऐसे हो जाए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, because recently बाकी exams का trend देखें तो they are asking 2 different sets of DI, which is a very good thing again. So DI में एक advantage रहता है कि based on one particular question you are solving 5 questions. So 5 subsequent questions. So this gives you the opportunity to get more marks in less time. एक ही question से आप 5 following questions solve कर पा रहे हैं, तो that's amazing. तो make sure that आप DI की practice भी अच्छे से करें. Then in the end move on to miscellaneous topics like averages, speed time and distance, compound interest, simple interest, and time and work, and profit and loss. So मेक श्योर कि आप मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चंस वही अटेम्प्ट करें जिनकी आपने एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से की हुई है, बिकॉज अदरवाइज यू विल जस्ट बी वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. अगर आप इफ़ यू डोंट रीच अ सोल्यूशन व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग अ मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चन, यू टेंड टू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. Okay, so this was the order of attempt for quant section. In the remaining time you have to go to the reasoning section, और reasoning section में begin with arrangements and patterns. यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता दूं कि we have published a video on how to quickly solve arrangements and patterns, and you can go and watch that video now. The link is in the description. So anyway, begin with arrangements and patterns based questions. ये भी approximately 10 marks का आएगा ही आएगा. Then move on to inequalities. Inequalities are also very easy, they are not very difficult. Then syllogisms, then coding, decoding, then directions and distances, then ordering and ranking, and then blood relations. Directions and distances की अगर आपको अच्छे से practice है तो you should be able to solve this question within 30 to 45 seconds, which is very nice. So please, directions and distances जैसे छोटे छोटे questions की practice भी रखिएगा. Don't think that these are easy questions so you can skip them in your practice sessions. Okay, and in the end solve the linear and circular arrangement puzzles. So make sure that you solve these puzzles in the end only if you have ample time and if you find these puzzles easy. अब ये figure out करने का एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है कि एक puzzle easy है या नहीं, कि उसमें कितने parameters हैं. तो आप उसी puzzle को हाथ लगाइए जिसमें एक दो parameters हैं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं है. अगर आपको जब तक कि आप confident नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा, so this is a very good way to know whether to solve a puzzle or not. But if you are comfortable, if you are confident, if you have practice, then please go ahead with solving the puzzle even if it has more than 2 parameters. Well, so this was the order of attempt: English, Quant and Reasoning, and topic wise order of attempt हम discuss कर ही चुके हैं. So अगर आपको देखना है कि how effective this is, तो I urge you to solve a few mock tests based on this order of attempt, and you will see the difference yourself. There will be a significant increase in the number of attempts that you will be having in all these tests that you are solving. Also, if you want to watch more videos, if you want more study material, and if you want more content related to IBPS Clerk Prelims exam, then there are multiple options. You can subscribe to us on YouTube channel. You can also get in touch with us over Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Also read the Testbook blog daily, if not daily, regularly. Padhiye Testbook blog, because we publish all the articles that you need there, all the study material, details, syllabus, etc. And if you want stuff on the go, please download our app. Also once again, subscribe to us on YouTube, and all the best for your exam.